For Unit 7, Day 4 notes, this is proportions and triangles. So for the first one, triangle proportionality theorem, also known as the side splitter theorem, it says if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersects the other two sides, then it divides the sides into segments of proportional lengths, meaning like we're looking at these right here. And so it says, kind of summed up, if DE is parallel to AC, then you can say that BD is proportional to DA and BE to EC. And that, I mean, you have to look back at the parallel lines. So if it creates parallel lines in here, then we can say that, you know, this over this and then this one over this. The converse of this would just be like flipping your then and your if. So if BD over AD, then BE over EC. If that's true, then the two segments DE and AC are parallel. So to put that in action, I would say you may want to use highlighters. Might help. So we could say like 12 over 14. And then 15 over x. And if I cross multiply, we get 12x equals 210. Divide both sides by 12, and x is going to be 17.5. Okay, so for part B, same idea. So we could go x over 18 and 56 over 21. And then cross multiply to solve. So 21x. And if I multiply 18 and 56, I get 1008. Divide by 21, we get 48. Okay. For letter C, I would do x over 36. And then I would do 55 minus 45 and get 10. And then I would do 10 over 45. I would cross multiply. And if I divide by 45, we get x is 8. In letter D, we could do 7 over x equals 6. And then if I take 27 minus 6 to get this piece, we get 21. So I would do 6 over 21. Cross multiply, divide by 6, 24. Okay. And then letter E and letter F has a little bit more algebra than the others had. So we would do 30 over x plus 7 and 25 over 15. I would simplify 25 and 15 by 5, so that would give me 5/3. And then I could cross multiply, so 5 times x plus 7, and 30 times 3 is 90. So now I just need to distribute, and solve a two-step equation. So x would be 11. Okay, the last example for this particular theorem, I would say 12 over, that's a plus sign, so x plus 1. And then 9 over x. So 9x plus 1 equals 12x. Because you have variables on both sides, I would bring this variable over here by subtracting it and getting 3x. So x is 3.